Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error or warning. You are currently editing the page that show your latest post or page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we try to add new page or post or add any media library image, then show error. Also we cannot add any new user. Now you see submit for review. Again click on add new page. Now you see error again. Now go to media. Add new media file, select file. So we select this file. Now you see error. So we are going to fix this issue. Add new page not working. Edit post page nothing work. So we are going to fix it. Now go to database WordPress phpmyadmin. So we are in phpmyadmin. So this is our main important table, WP post, postmeta option. So first we selected WP post and then you see message, current selection does not contain a unique column. So we have 0 record entries. Now you see our record. Now select, loading, and then you see all ID record. So we have no primary key in tables. So we are going to fix it. Now go to structure. Now you see ID. Now select, make it primary. But you see error duplicate entry. So we are going to fix it. So we are going to delete all 0 record we have in this table. If your data is important, you can change ID value 0 to any value. But it's up to you. So we are going to delete all ID record which has 0. Now go to SQL. Now you see delete. So click on it. Now you see where, remove. Now select ID and then add equal. Now add 0 semicolon and then click on go. OK. And then you see 70 row deleted. Now go to structure again. So we are in WP post table. Now select ID. Now scroll down, make it primary. Now you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Alter table, add primary key. Now in WP post, ID is primary key. Now click on change. So we are going to add auto increment. Now you see edit and then click on save. Auto increment edit for ID. Now go to postmeta. So click on it. Same issue we have here. Current selection does not contain a unique column. Then in table you see meta ID, post ID. Meta ID value has 0 record and then you see post ID. So this post ID came from WP post table. Now select and then you see 0 record we have. Now go to SQL. So click on delete. Now remove. Now select meta ID. Now add equal. Again add 0 semicolon. Click on go. OK. And then you see 27 row deleted. Now click on structure again. Now select meta ID. Make it primary. And then you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Alter table. Now you see meta ID primary key. So we are going to add auto increment for meta ID. So click on change, auto increment and then click on save. Now you see post meta has been altered successfully. Auto increment. Same with WP option table. So I already deleted 0 record from WP option table. Now go to structure. Already make option ID primary key. So in WP option table, option ID primary key. So we are going to add auto increment. So click on change, select auto increment and then click on save. Now you see table option has been altered successfully. Now go to WordPress website again. Now you see add new page. Refresh the page. Again you see add new page. Now go to post. So click on add new post. Now you see publish. Now again click on add new page. Now you see publish. All you see setting. Now go to media library. Now you see all media files. Click on add new media file. Select file. Now select. Now you see uploading done. Before we cannot edit, add new page or post, cannot add any media library. We make primary keys, also add auto increment. So we are in add new user. So we are going to check it. So we edit some record and then click on add new user. So when we try to create new user, then new user cannot create it. So we are going to fix it. So now you see we have two table, users, user meta. Now select user. So click on it. Now you see all record we have, but you see message current selection does not contain a unique column. So we are going to fix it. If you have any zero record and username, user table, you can delete zero record from SQL. Now go to structure, so click on it. Now you see ID. Now select. First make it primary, so click on it. Now you see ID primary key. Now click on change. So we are going to add auto increment. Now enable this option and then click on save. Now you see table user has been altered successfully. So we added primary key and auto increment for ID. Now you see user meta, so click on it. Again you see current selection does not contain a unique column. If you have zero record for uMeta ID, then delete it. Now go to structure. Now select, make it primary. Now you see your SQL query has been executed. Again click on change. So we are going to add auto increment. Now select and then click on save. Now go to WordPress website again to check new user created or not. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see users. So click on add new user. So we are going to add some record and then click on add new. So click on it. Now you see new user created after fixing user table, user meta table, add primary key, auto increment. Now you see all issue is fixed. We create add new page, add new post, add media library, we upload images, all things. Also we create new user. Now you see new user created. Now go to phpmyadmin again. So we work on 5 table, WP option. So we work on 5 tables, WP option, postmeta, post, user meta, user. So we deleted zero record, we make primary key and we add auto increment. So our issue is fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.